Thank you for tuning in. This is the Ceviche Spot Recipes. Today we will be making you guys a pink Panther ceviche. That's one of our signature ceviches. We'll start off by showing you guys our ingredients and our sauces. So here are all our ingredients that we need. We got the yellowfin tuna, cilantro, Persian cucumbers, an orange, tomatoes, habaneros, lime, avocado, and here we have already pre-sliced onions that we want to go ahead and marinate it with and cured with lime. We've had them sitting in the fridge for about 30 minutes, so if you guys want to go ahead and take care of this part first, grab your red onion, slice it like a moon, put them in the fridge, 30 minutes, get them out the way, and we'll continue the process. So over here, you guys see our wet ingredients, all our liquids. We have Maggi, soy sauce, salsa inglesa, or you guys can switch it up for Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, however you guys say that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and grab our habanero. For this recipe, we're using about 9 to 10 ounces of protein. So we're gonna go ahead and just give it a little half an habanero. So after you guys are done, we're gonna go ahead and grab our Maggi. These are the brands I like to use. You guys can use whatever brand you like, but these are my preference. So if you guys want to see the measurements as well, leave a comment. Right now we're just gonna go, based off how I know how to make it. We got our soy sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in there. And a couple splashes of salsa inglesa. Alright guys, go ahead and give your board a little white. Grab your orange. For this recipe as well, you don't want to overdo it on the orange because it's gonna take over the whole flavor, especially if the orange is too sweet. So if you guys see, a little less than a third. Grab your orange, a little squeeze. All right, trash can handy. Put this on the side. Next, a little swirl. We're gonna go ahead and add our tuna. Cubes, however you want. This one looks like it's about half an inch. Over half an inch, but it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, grab your handy dandy spoon, give it a little mix. Make sure you get all the flavors in there. And while this is marinating, we're gonna go ahead and chop our veggies. All right, and after you guys went ahead and got your marinade and your tuna ready, put it on the side. We're gonna go ahead and start with the vegetables. We're gonna go ahead and start with the Persian cucumbers. We're going to toss them in the bowl. Okay, go ahead and give your board a little white. Next, we got our tomato. Throw them in your veggie bowl. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get about a little bit of handful. I like to bunch it up, so get about like 10 to 15 little stems. We're gonna use the stems and also the little flowers. So. Toss them in your veggie bowl. And we're gonna move on. We let the tuna sit for a while, so it should have grabbed a great amount of flavor. We're gonna go ahead and add our vegetables. If you guys want to add less vegetables, go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and throw in all our veggies. We're only gonna use 2 limes for this recipe, so. All right, grab your lime squeezer. Next, didn't forget to mention this, but of course, grab your salt and give it a couple of shakes. And give it a little mix. You guys can see it's starting to get some shape. Right. Go ahead and grab your plate. Grab 2 tostadas, center them, choose your best aguacate. We're gonna go with this one. You can sometimes tell by squeezing the little bottom if they're ready. They usually sink in pretty smoothly. And we're gonna use this for the base of our tostadas. Try to get it laid out so you can get one in every bite. You guys don't have to put aguacate, but for you aguacate lovers, this is highly recommended. Okay, go ahead and grab your Pink Panther ceviche. And go ahead and start stacking. All right, guys. By this time, your onions should be ready. Go ahead and get them out of the fridge. Grab some tongs, a fork, your hands, whatever you guys want to use. Make sure you get some lime juice in there. You guys can smell, you guys just smell great as what you guys see this out. So go ahead and grab a bunch, put less. Don't put in it all, but we do recommend it. Locks in the flavor. Hey guys, that's it. Nice and simple, right? Go ahead and take a look at it. If you guys want to add more salsa on the top, more chile, tapatio, feel free. The habanero does give it a kick, especially if you get a nice habanero. You guys, this is the Pink Panther. Check us out. We got social medias. The Ceviche Spot, check us out on cevichespot.com. Check out our menu. But yeah, we're gonna be doing videos almost every Thursday. We'll be launching them, different recipes. Check out our menu. If you guys have ideas, if you guys have a recipe you want us to throw out and show you guys, we'll go ahead and do it so you guys can make it at home. Also, if you guys are tired, if you guys don't have time, go ahead and order from us Friday through Sunday at the cevichespot.com. All right, guys, before we roll out and sign off for the Ceviche Spot recipes, it's a must to give it a taste test. So we want to go ahead and try to get as much as we can of everything. Now let me do what I do. I highly recommend this tostada. Try to make it at home. My face is all covered in greatness. I'm gonna just kill this already because I'm hungry. You guys want to order from us? TheCevichespot.com.